Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these products right here. They are a holiday edition and they are by Lilac Street, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So first off, I'm going to start off with this one right here. This is like a whole set, so it comes with everything you'll need to apply your lashes, and I am so excited about this. First of all, the packaging is really cute. Really great gift idea if you know someone that really loves to do their own lashes like myself. Like, I would love a gift like this. So when you open it up, you're going to have a little card and it tells you a little bit about it, and if you scan this, it'll show you like how to wear them and all of that. And then this is everything that comes in the box. So you have 3 different lash sets. So this one right here is the originals, and it is 12 millimeters, which is a really good length if you want something that looks a lot more natural. It's just a really good length. You have the originals, and this is 10 millimeters. So this is going to be like if you're not really comfortable wearing lashes and you need something just a little shorter. And then this one is the 14 millimeters. These will probably be the ones that I'm going to try on today because I like a really nice like long lash. And you can also mix these. You can do a couple 14s, a couple 12s, and then 10s if you want them to kind of be longer on the outside and kind of cat-eyed. I'm just going to wear one because I feel like that's what most people will do. The next thing that comes in here are the tweezers, and these are by far the most cutest tweezers I've ever seen. And then you just take these little things off, and then that's what they look like. And once you're done using them, you can put them back on and then press your lashes down with those. So that's a really good little thing that they did there. And then it comes with these 2 things right here, and this is the Lilac Lash Crystal Coat. So this is pretty much the seal, so it'll keep your lashes on. And then this is the glue, the clear Lilac Lash Glue. So they also sent me these holiday lashes right here. So this is a holiday half lash, and that's what it looks like right there. These are really pretty, just to give yourself like a little cat eye effect. And then you have this one right here. So this is 12 and 16, and then this one is 10 and 14. So 2 different sizes, same holiday collection. And then they also sent me the Pro Lash Glue in black. I love their lash glue. Their lash glue is really good. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. So that's what their lash glue looks like. They have an amazing glue. It's really sticky right off the back, so the lashes are super easy to apply. I'm going to go ahead and use everything that came in the box if you're wanting to buy like a gift set for someone. And then I will be reviewing the rest of these on my channel. So if you want to see what those look like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be reviewing those hopefully soon. Depends on how long these last. I usually can get my lashes to last about 2 weeks if I take really good care of them. So we'll see how long these last. So I'm going to start off with the clear glue. You know what? I think this is like a regular lash glue. Yeah, so this is like a regular lash glue. So you can see the other one. So this you'd more use to apply these. And I'm going to go ahead and use the black one because that one's probably a microfiber one. And to me, those are the easiest way to apply your lash clusters. Yeah, so this is the one that you want to apply lash clusters. What I like to do is I like to slightly bend my wand, just like that. And it makes it a lot easier to apply. When the glue's brand new, it's a lot harder to apply than normal. So what I do, I'm going to grab a little lash and I'm going to look down. Let me try to scoot you guys closer so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm going to apply the lash glue first. Then I'm just going to look down. and just kind of dab it at the base of my lashes. Sometimes I'll brush it all the way through. Just depends on how this got fuzz on it. It's driving me crazy. So just like that. Then I'm going to take the tweezers. I'm going to take these things off for now. And I'm going to, like I said, do the 14 in the classic or the originals. They also did send me this lash pad. I forgot to mention that. So this is great for mapping out your lashes because it's sticky. And I'm going to apply them just like that. It's just going to make it a lot easier just to grab them and place them on there. So let me go ahead and place them all on there. Okay, so as you can see, I just lined them all out. So it's going to make it a lot easier to apply. You just pick them up and go. And I glue them from under, like on the bottom. I'm going to go from underneath. Place it and you're good. Again, look down. Okay, as you can see, that's what it looks like. I actually need one more, so I'm going to take one out of the 12 because I feel like I just need one more lash. Okay, as you can see, I put that 12 there and it looks so pretty. So after you're done doing that, I'm going to put these things back on and then I'm going to smash them down. So you just go through and just place them on your lashes. So as you can see, that is what they look like. And then if it is a little like sticky once you're done, and this is going to remove any stickiness that you may have. You see, it's a little sticky right there. So this is like a clear gel, and you're just going to brush it just at the very base. And that's going to keep it from being sticky. So I'm going to show you from the side. So this is before. That's after. Let me show you from the side. These are very, very pretty. Let me go ahead and show you on top. See, that's what they look like. So they are so pretty. So let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this side off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so this is what they look like completed. They're so pretty. Very full and voluminous. I do really like these. I'm looking at a camera. I think they look so pretty. Look at that. Now, one thing about like when you brush the lashes, like the glue directly on the lashes, sometimes it clumps up. Like as you can see, like right there, it kind of looks a little thicker. So that's the only downside. If you apply the glue like directly on top of the lash, like right here, and then apply them, it doesn't really do that, but it takes a lot longer. And I'm a mommy of 4, so I'm always trying to do like whatever is the fastest way to do something. So I do prefer just to brush it on. It's easier, and like honestly, when I have like eyeliner and stuff on, you can't even really tell. So that's what I opt to do, but they are so pretty. You see, like that's like a really close up. They're just so pretty. Like I said, that's on top. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and let me know if you guys have any recommendations on lashes you would like me to review on my channel. I really like this brand. I think I have some more lashes from Plume coming. She's going to send me some sets over. I've been reaching out to a few brands to let them know if they would like me to review lashes on my channel. So I will let you guys know, and you guys will be seeing some more lash clusters. So don't forget to subscribe if you guys do want to see those videos. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.